While many farmers struggle to afford expensive agricultural machinery, one talented craftsman proves that innovation doesn't have to be expensive. Using nothing more than scrap metal and an old blue bicycle, he creates a practical electric cargo tricycle that becomes an invaluable tool during the harvest season. The project begins by strengthening the bicycle frame. Reinforcing ribs and side supports are carefully welded into place to provide the durability needed for carrying heavy loads. Once the frame is complete, a sturdy metal cargo bed is securely mounted using precisely drilled holes and heavy-duty fasteners. Next comes the power system. A battery box is welded beneath the frame, and a high-torque electric motor is installed on the rear axle. The wiring is carefully connected to the controller, the battery is fitted, and the entire electrical system is tested to ensure reliable performance. To finish the cargo bed, wooden planks are cut to size and firmly attached to create a strong, durable floor. The result is an impressive electric tricycle featuring a rugged blue frame, a sturdy metal cargo box, and a solid wooden platform built for daily farm work. The true test comes on the road. Loaded with heavy sacks and freshly harvested corn, the homemade tricycle moves smoothly along the village road, demonstrating its power, stability, and practicality. What was once a pile of discarded materials has become a valuable machine that helps farmers save time, reduce labour, and increase productivity. This remarkable project is a perfect example of how creativity, welding skills, and engineering can transform simple scrap into something truly useful. If you enjoyed this incredible DIY transformation, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest recycling projects, metalworking builds, and creative engineering ideas. We'd also love to hear your opinion. How would you rate this amazing handmade tricycle? Let us know in the comments below.